Okay, Monza and I are outside of the workshop today. It's been quite some time since we took a video, isn't it, Mr. Dog? He's not bothered. He does say hello. In some sort of fashion. It's been a while since I've taken a video. I have absolutely taken tons of video. And I've tried putting it all together, but it always sounds totally rubbish. I've come a long way with the Phoenix. Everything is now labelled up. Look at that. Look at that for a mess of a vehicle. Yep, that is actually a Vauxhall Frontera. Isuzu Rodeo, call it what you will. That could be anything right at this moment. Today's job was to cut off the bonnet landing panel with my little guiding marks so that I can pull the engine out. Everything's labelled up and ready to go. It's ready to lift, and that's going to be tomorrow's job. So that's an update. Monza, shut up. That's where we're at this particular moment in time. I'm hoping that this makes a little sense. I was hoping to make a video of how to do it step by step, and total respect to the guys that do this. I haven't got anybody that can record this on video for me at the time that I'm doing it, hands on, and it's very difficult. So this is my own version, my own little way of doing things. This is how I do it. Stick bits of tape to everything, label it up before I pull it off. As you've seen before, I've had to balance the vehicle out, get it all jacked up so that I can get the engine hoist underneath. It's way too high with axle stands underneath. That's that side. And that's that side. My drive isn't level. It's higher on the left than it is on the right. So I've got to make sure that when I lift the engine out, once it comes off of its mountings, it doesn't swing from left to right. The bonnet, I've taken the brackets off of, and that's currently resting on towels so I don't damage the bodywork. That's that side, the left side, and that's the right side. This is still the whole car, which looks fantastic, which is the whole motivation for doing it. Every day I look at it, I just love it. What a piece of kit for next to no money. We'll keep going. I'll take another video next time I do some more work on it, which will be taking the engine out and getting it on a stand, and then I can start swapping bits over with the replacement engine I've bought, which I'm really not so happy about. The condition of it is a little bit questionable. It would look that way underneath a piece of plastic. But I will get back to you. I'll let you know how it's going. Post any questions or comments in the box below. Please feel free to subscribe and share. See you next time. Oh yeah, just an addendum. Monza's getting fed up with me because I'm so rubbish at video. If you were wondering about the brush handle, the broom handle, that's so that I can leave the bonnet on the car once I've got the engine out. I don't have to go and stash it in the summer house. Focus, thank you. I can set the bonnet to whatever height I need so that the engine hoist, will be able to get the engine out without getting in the way, and I can just set it down and then keep everything watertight. See what I mean? I'm just totally rubbish at video. I'll get there. I may be able to make it better eventually. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.